Hello friends, you're on the Home Tips channel, and in this video I will show you how to clean oven glass door. My oven door is dirty all over. The side of the glass is splattered with grease. If you want the door to be clean, then you need to disassemble it and clean everything well between the glasses. Oven models are different, so the doors are disassembled in different ways. In some models you need to unscrew the screws in the corners, in others you need to remove the cap at the top. My glass is fixed with two latches. Therefore, to remove the glass, I open the latches and lift the glass from this side. There are fasteners at the top too. Of this, the glass just needs to be pulled out. After you take out the glass, the oven door will become very light, therefore hold it with your hand and close it. My glass is not very dirty, so I take dishwashing detergent, hot water and a sponge to clean it. To make the door easier to clean, spread the detergent over it and let it sit for 10 minutes. To better clean all the cracks, you will need a brush. By the way, don't forget to hold the door so that it doesn't close abruptly. I have already cleaned the oven door. Now I wipe it with a damp cloth to wash off the detergent. I also wash the outside of the door with dishwashing detergent. To avoid streaks on the glass, mix plain white vinegar with water in equal parts, spray the glass and wipe with a glass cleaning cloth. Now I'll start cleaning the glass that I removed from the door. First sprinkle it well with baking soda and add a little dishwashing detergent. I splash a little with hot water, and now with the help of a sponge I mix everything and spread it over the glass. If your glass is very dirty, then leave it in this state for 30 minutes. I don't have a lot of pollution, so after 15 minutes I spray the glass with vinegar and start cleaning. To clean difficult dirt, I use a metal scraper. Next, the glass needs to be washed. This is best done in a bathtub under running water. So that there are no streaks left, I wipe the glass with a cloth to clean glass and mirrors. I carefully fix the clean glass in the oven door. In this way, friends, you can clean the glass in the oven door so that it is transparent, without spills, greasy splashes and plaque. If you liked these tips, put your thumbs up under the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you all for watching. See you in other videos.